Guangzhou Teaching Instrument is an educational and training equipment manufacturer. We have over 50 employees, and our Guangzhou headquarters covers over 5,000 square meters. The headquarters houses R&D and design workshops, a bench workshop, a sheet metal welding workshop, multiple assembly workshops, and equipment commissioning workshops. The production workshops are equipped with advanced and sophisticated equipment, including lasers, drilling machines, profile cutting machines, and welding machines. We are also equipped with precision testing instruments and inspection equipment, such as diagnostic instruments, oscilloscopes, multimeters, and dynamometers. Our company manufactures a wide range of teaching equipment for fuel vehicles, electric vehicles, electrical and electronics, new energy, hydraulics and pneumatics, and air conditioning and refrigeration, meeting the teaching and training needs of various vocational and technical schools, polytechnics, and engineering programs.